Sukanya. I am studying 10th class in PSMC Girls High School. Today's topic is the Jallianwala Bagh incident and Hunter Commission. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on 13th April 1919 at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. Defense of India Regulation Act 1915 and Role Act 1919 raised political and social unrest among Indians. Indian freedom fighters generally showed disagreement for Role Act. On 12th April 1919, the protest leader Hansraj held a meeting at Jallianwala Bagh the next day. On 13th April, the British government forced the curfew, then the martial law in Jallianwala Bagh. The marshal suspended the communication and also the prohibited public gathering. By the evening of 13th April, nearly 25,000 people have gathered in Jallianwala Bagh. Colonel Reginald Dyer did not try to peacefully despite the crowd, despite aware of all the gathering. Troops on the order of Colonel Dyer secured in all the exits and started the firing on the escaping offering. And also, official estimates put all the dead of 379, which in as well there were nearly 2,000 casualties. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre, the Hunter Commission, a 1919 investigation into a British investigation in that killed 15,000 Indian civilians, headed by William Hunter, Lord Hunter. Thank you.